Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to toggle between the Roombr app and your desktop during a session. To showcase something from your desktop, like a document or presentation, simply locate the Desktop-Roombr toggle icon in the recording indicator at the bottom left of the Roombr application. Clicking on the Desktop-Roombr toggle icon will instantly minimize the Roombr app, allowing your desktop screen to take focus. You'll have full access to all your desktop content, making it easy to navigate through your files and presentations. Once you're done presenting from your desktop and want to return to the Roombr app, just click on the Desktop-Roombr toggle icon again. The Roombr application will reappear, ready for you to continue your session. Whether you're sharing content from your desktop or interacting within the Roombr app, rest assured that everything is captured in the session recording. And that's it. Toggle between Roombr app and desktop is simple as that.